The next time you need to bleed your brakes, make sure to check out Earl's Solo Bleed Brake Bleeders. They make bleeding your brakes a one-man operation. Let me show you how easily it's done. These are Earl's Solo Bleeds. They have a built-in plunger with a spring attached that automatically closes when you release the brake pedal. You simply replace your stock OEM bleeder screws with Solo Bleeds, loosen the Solo Bleed, pump your brakes, and the plunger automatically opens and closes, allowing no air back in. This allows you to bleed your brakes unassisted. Simply tighten the Solo Bleed closed when done. Let's show you how easy it is to bleed your brakes with Solo Bleeds. First, let's replace our OE bleeder screws with Earl's Solo Bleeds. Our bleeder screws are 3/8 of an inch, so we'll use a socket to remove our stock bleeder screw. As you can see, the OE bleeder screws are very similar to our Solo Bleeds, aside from the plunger. Solo Bleeds are a direct replacement. Simply thread on the Solo Bleed till it bottoms out. Then back out about a full turn and you're ready to bleed your brakes. Always attach a catch can, as brake fluid is very corrosive. We picked this one up at the local auto parts for a few bucks. Now as I go depress my brakes, you can see air being removed from the line. Do this a few times to clear out all the air in the line. After a couple pumps, you're ready to move on to the next caliper. Simply disconnect your catch can tubing and tighten the Solo Bleed shut. Replace the rubber cap onto the Solo Bleed and repeat the procedure for the rest of the wheel calipers. When bleeding your brakes, make sure you start at the wheel caliper furthest away from the master cylinder and work your way on up. That'll ensure you get all the air out of the system. Earl's offers Solo Bleed brake bleeders for almost every application out there, so make sure to visit earls.com.